Today, we have an exciting general Islamic knowledge quiz 30 questions to test your iman and boost your learning. Ready? Let's begin. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button to keep boosting your knowledge about Islam.
Which prophet is called Friend of Allah? Hazrat Ibrahim. What is the meaning of Tawheed? Oneness of Allah. Which surah is called the Bride of the Quran? Surah Rema. How many years did Prophet Muhammad preach in Makkah? Shisan. Which companion was the first martyr in Islam? Sumaya. What is the name of the Prophet's camel? Al-Qaswa. Which prophet's nation was destroyed by a flood? Hazrat Nuh. What is the longest surah in the Quran? Surah Al-Baqarah. Which Islamic month is known as the month of forgiveness? Shaban. What is the Arabic term for Islamic jurisprudence? Fiqh. Which prophet was thrown into a fire but remained unharmed? Hazrat Ibrahim. What is the name of the treaty signed by the Prophet, PBUH, with the Quraysh? Treaty of Hudaybiyah. Which surah mentions the event of the elephant? Surah Al-Fil. What is the first masjid built in Islam? Masjid Quba. Which prophet is known as the father of the prophets? Prophet Ibrahim. What is the term for the Islamic will? Wasiyah. Which companion compiled the Quran into one book? Abu Bakr. What is the name of the river in Jannah mentioned in the Quran? Qasr. Which prophet's dua is known as Sabran Jamil? Hazrat Yaqub. What is the punishment for not praying in Islam? Severe warning. Which surah is known as the protection? Surah An-Nas. What is the name of the angel who will blow the trumpet on Qiyamah? Israfil. Which prophet was given the ability to speak to animals? Hazrat Sulaiman. What is the term for the Islamic oath of allegiance? Bayat. Which city was the direction of prayer, Qibla, before Makkah? Jerusalem. What is the name of the Prophet's foster mother? Halima. Which surah is recited for protection from Dajjal? Surah Al-Kahf. What is the term for the Islamic inheritance law? Miraz. Which prophet's name is mentioned most in the Quran? Hazrat Musa, what is the name of the gate of Jannah for those who fasted? Bab ul Raya.